In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay up to date with the latest Canva features, announcements, and design inspiration. If you use Canva regularly, it's a really good idea to keep an eye on what's new. Canva updates its platform often, and new tools can save you time, improve your designs, and help you discover better ways to work. Instead of waiting to accidentally notice a new feature, you can make a habit of checking a few key places. First, visit Canva's Launches page. This is one of the best places to see the latest features and announcements in one spot. Canva uses this page to highlight major updates, new tools, and important changes to the platform. When you open it, take a moment to scan through the newest posts or featured announcements. This helps you quickly understand what's been added and what might be useful for your own projects. If you create content for work, school, or social media, this page can help you spot tools that make your process easier. Next, check the Canva newsroom for regular updates and feature roundups. While the Launches page is great for major highlights, the newsroom gives you a broader view of what Canva is doing. You may find update summaries, release information, and announcements that give more context around new features. This is helpful because sometimes a tool is more useful when you understand how Canva intends it to be used. Reading these updates regularly can help you stay informed without having to search around the platform. If you're using Canva on desktop, another useful step is to follow your favorite template designers. This is a simple way to keep up with their latest designs and see fresh creative ideas as they appear. If there are creators whose style you like, following them can help you discover new templates faster and stay inspired. It's also a practical way to notice design trends and find layouts that fit your own needs. The key is to check these places regularly so you don't miss new Canva tools and updates. You don't need to spend a lot of time doing this. Even a quick check every so often can help you stay current and make better use of the platform. By keeping an eye on Canva's Launches page, the newsroom, and your favorite template designers on desktop, you'll be in a much better position to catch new features early and make the most of everything Canva has to offer.